At DAGO Express, we've seen it too often. A key machine fails in the middle of the night, a crucial component is hundreds of kilometers away, and production is on the verge of a standstill. Every minute lost equals money lost. That's when companies turn to us, not because they hope we can deliver, but because they know we will. In urgent logistics, reliability isn't optional. It's the baseline. This video shows how we ensure critical shipments arrive on time, even when the pressure is at its highest. Let's start with a real example. One of our clients, an experienced supplier of machines and tools for industrial manufacturing. One night, a key machine broke down and unexpectedly, without a specific spare part, production couldn't continue, and every passing hour meant growing losses. They needed a solution, fast despite the late hour. Their team contacted us. Within minutes, our emergency response team confirmed the transport requirements, secure and dedicated vehicle, and dispatched it for direct delivery. No detours, no transfers, no warehouse stops. That's how we eliminate delays and reduce handling risks. By morning, the spare part had arrived and the production line was running again before the next shift clocked in. For our client, this meant minimal downtime and no disruption to their operations or client commitments. When failure strikes, speed and certainty are everything. That's what we deliver. Story number 2. Critical precision. Construction site deliveries. Urgency isn't just a manufacturing problem. Construction companies often face the same pressure, especially when timelines are tight and progress depends on materials arriving exactly when needed. Another client, a manufacturer of high-quality stainless steel components, recently faced this challenge. Multiple construction projects were running parallel. The timing for each delivery had to be exact. A single delay could have held up work, pushed back schedules, and increased cost on every side. To solve this, we provided a fully coordinated multi-vehicle solution. Each shipment was sent on a direct route to its assigned construction site. No stops, no cross-loading. Delivery timing was synced with each project's specific timeline and handling needs. Because we control the full transport chain, every component arrived safely, on time and without damage. For our client, that meant zero rescheduling, no project delays, and complete confidence in their logistics. Why we deliver under pressure? So how are we able to handle this level of urgency with such precision? There are 3 reasons. Direct same-day delivery. Our core service model is based on dedicated point-to-point transport. We don't mix shipments, we don't stop at hubs. Your goods are loaded once into a vehicle that only handles your order and driven straight to the destination. 24/7 availability. Urgent deliveries don't respect business hours, and neither do we. Our network of vehicles and partners allows us to proceed during nights, weekends and holidays. Strict transport protocols, from professional load securing to route planning. Every detail is designed to minimize risk and maximize speed and reliability. With over 20,000 successful transports and service in 38 countries, our team is trained for urgency, not surprised by it. If your business operates under tight timelines, whether in manufacturing, construction, or live events, DAGO Express is your strategic partner for urgent logistics. We offer direct delivery, no part loads, no unnecessary stops, and no excuses. Our team is trained to act fast, communicate clearly, and deliver safely. Even when time is running out, you can request a quote through the link in the description or contact us directly for emergency transport needs. If you have questions about how we work or want to share your own logistic challenges, leave a comment below. I read everyone. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe for more videos about safe, efficient and reliable express transport. When your business can't afford delays, you need a partner who doesn't deliver late. That's DAGO Express.